Hello guys, it's kind of dark right now. I'm in my room. Yeah, I'm just kind of stressing because I need to study and I haven't studied. So the best thing to do is have a table down here in our room. I'm not gonna show our room, but yeah, I got this table here. I'm gonna be assembling it. Let's see how this goes, and then yeah, I'll be making sure I can work here near the heater because it's winter. But yeah, quarantine, self-isolation. Let's do this. Okay. This shit. Okay, I'm done assembling the table right now, and I'm gonna heading to my friend's place because I'm gonna get an LCD screen. It's a good screen, a wide screen that way I can use. I need to study and I need a bigger screen. So let's do this. Anyway, my table went out so good. It's one of those cheapy wood looking thingy. I don't know. Anyway, gotta go. It's getting late. Hey guys, how are you going? I'm home right now. I'm kind of feeling sick and sometimes okay and sometimes sick, so I think it's anxiety or anything. Just stuck at home trying to isolate. I've been trying hard to isolate myself from the last few days, but problem is I have this tendency to go out and get something to eat, get some food, get anything. So I just got myself a table. It's inside a room, as you can see in the reflection somewhere there, facing the wall and having a light bounce the wall hit my face. I'm just too technical for this shit. Anyway, I just want to ask you guys to stay safe and yeah, try to do whatever the government is trying to tell us, or the doctors, to keep social distancing and wash your hands, eat healthy foods, eat everything that's good for you, and yeah, just be on the lookout. Just stay away from trouble and stay away from people. That way we can get over this virus here. So yeah, currently I'm at home right now doing my assignments and doing my classes. As what I've said earlier, I'm doing masters, and yeah, it's the 19th of April and I have deadlines. I even have a personal deadline to myself. I need to upload a video or something, and hope I can get that done. But yeah, stay safe guys, and yeah, take care of yourselves and take care of your family around you. That doesn't mean that you have to be there, but if it's possible that you don't go there and try to isolate yourself, that's one way of taking care of them. Yeah, just can't. Yeah, just stay safe. Yeah, bye.